Hello my beauty team, today I'm gonna show you my hit or miss products from Agus. Yes, some items I like and some so-so. Yes, Agus brings us a lot of beautiful products. Personally, I really like foundation from Christian Dior. $52, perfect for travel, and this is its foundation stick. Yes, this is not your liquid foundation, this is your foundation stick for normal skin. If you are dry or extremely dry, I will say you must listen to me, you must put moisturizer, because if you're gonna apply this product on your dry skin, it's gonna feels dry, it's gonna feel powder, it's gonna bring to a surface. If you have a large pores, they're gonna look even more large. But I have right now my skincare, I apply this foundation on my skin just like this, medium to full coverage, 24-hour hydration, $52, and my colors today 2.5. Usually I am color 2CR or 2N, but I have self tanner on me. Yes, I apply with my hand. You can use, or you can use a brush. Either one will work. But easy way, of course, if you're gonna use a brush, medium to full coverage, and depending on how much product you applying. Look at this side, it looks beautiful, it's perfectly match my neck. Look at this side, we have discoloration, pigmentation here, but I don't worry about it because this foundation will cover everything. It does have a pretty strong smell. If you like your foundation fragrance free, this have a pretty lovely but strong smell. This foundation also have a nice beautiful blurry effect. It's minimized my pores. I like it. By the way, oh my god, I forgot to mention, I have a little gift giveaway for one of you. Sorry, you must live in United States. Comment below, subscribe my YouTube channel. Look at this cute gift. And I do need to ask you, do you want me every video little by little gift giveaway, or you want just one big giveaway for one of you? I need to know. Foundation it's done, and now I'm gonna use concealer. I'm gonna use concealer from Chanel, and yeah, it's kind of new. Basically, it's the same concealer which ones they have already, but they just extend couple colors, and I personally really like this color. This is the new color from this concealer, medium to full coverage, and I always like this concealer. Time to little bit warm my face. I'm gonna use bronze from Christian Dior. Again, it's a new product, $47. I have color 02. It's a beautiful warm bronze color. I do not wanna apply this product on my face. I'm gonna apply on my brush because my skin it's normal to dry. If I'm gonna right now make this little bit streaks, it's gonna be very hard for me to blend because again my skin is dry. I always like to use my brush. I applying product on my brush. I'm using my little bit hand and little bit warm this product, and now I'm gonna use on my face. It's always go much more better, and I don't need to blend or worry too much. Now time to use a blush. I'm gonna use Chanel blush. This is it's your cream to powder blush. Some people love this blush, some people hate this blush. I'm not gonna apply not yet powder. I'm gonna apply this blush first and then powder. And let me show you colors. This is its Rose Ardent. It looks more pinky. Rose Radiant I like too, but it's more like a neutral color. Then I love this color, Rose French. Ooh, this is like, looks like a coral orange. And this one I like too, Grenade Profound, I think how it's named, but this is way deeper color. And I have one more color, and this is color beige, the lightest color in this collection. Okay, let's try. I think I wanna try Rose Radiance. Even again, it's very pretty too, Rose Ardent, but I think I like Rose Radiance. Okay, let's try. For my blush, I'm gonna use brand new Hourglass brush, and this is its blush brush. I love it. It's a little bit angled. It is not too soft, but it's also not too stuffed. I love this brush. Actually, Hourglass, they have beautiful brushes. Okay, let's try this blush. It goes very subtle. Okay, I need to add a little bit more to build color. Okay, I really like this blush, how it sits on my skin. It's not bringing any pores. Yes, I need to work a little bit more to build color, but I'm a makeup artist who I'm in this industry more than 20 years. I know my clients, they have a usually very heavy hand and I think they will like it because they will not make a big mess. Sorry, my customer, love you more than ice cream. Okay, let's continue, but I love this blush. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this natural look? You see me before and after, it's a big difference. And you know what? When I grab my big magnifier mirror, I see something that I'm really not happy. I'm not happy with Chanel concealer. I used to love Chanel concealer, but you know what? They reformulated, and I believe this is why I stopped using. This is why I stopped selling. And now I try, and I be honest with you, I just do not like how it sits on my eye area. It's products, it's moving, it's showing my lines and wrinkles. And yes, I do like color, but I just don't like how it sits on my skin. Now, what else do I have new? I have a loose powder from Laura Mercier, and it's your translucent powder and color Rose. Yeah, it's a little bit more pinky. I love this powder, but not under my eyes. I love to use this powder to set my makeup. I have a big Bobbi Brown brush, and I'm just gonna add this powder where I feel I need. Usually I need right here on the center of my face because I have large pores, a little bit right here. This is where my nose, and right here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is its 4 area where I like to use powder to set my makeup. What should I do for my eyes? Let's keep simple and easy eye look. But one product, which one I'm gonna use, it's not new, but I must use this before I'm gonna use this waterproof eyeliner. I'm using Shiseido Lash Curler just for 30 seconds. And now I'm gonna use waterproof, long wearing, beautiful burgundy eyeliner from YSL. I love this color. It's number 4. It's very hard to find color like this, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes. Oh, and by the way, I love this tiny, tiny brush. This eyeliner dries really, really quick. You need to work again, girls, very quick with this eyeliner. And if you want a little bit more color, you can just add 1-2 layers. But this is such a beautiful, gorgeous color. Now I'm gonna use another eyeliner, and I'm so excited. This is its brand, it's sweet, it's professional makeup, the clean formula, vegan brand. Look at this silver eyeliner. It's creamy, it's easy to blend, it's very hard to find color like this. I'm gonna apply above this burgundy eyeliner, but I'm serious, this is so pretty. Look at this color, it's have a sponge. Love this eyeliner. Now it's time for mascara, and yes, I have little samples from Charlotte Tilbury mascara. It's named Adjadarized. It's so hard for me to pronounce. Remember, I'm from Ukraine originally, and I refused to buy a big size because these companies, they told me they're gonna send to me for free. And I'm like, you know what? I have this little sample, and I'm very happy with this mascara. It's a volume mascara, it's a curling mascara, and what I like it truly have a nice volume. I love this mascara. Again, I will recommend this mascara to so many of my customers. What I like about this mascara, it is brush. It's not your straight brush, it is curling brush, and I have a lot of bristles. I just love this mascara. Again, if you're looking for a curling volume mascara, you will like this mascara. And for my lips, I have a mini samples from Tom Ford Color Casablanca. It's a new formula, and believe me or not, I do feel difference between all formula. It's more matte. It's a little bit more creamy, more, I will say, conditioner and lipstick together. I have a big video with all lip colors, new runaway lip colors from Tom Ford, and my favorite colors, it's always Casablanca. I love color Casablanca. It's a perfect color for fall. It's such a beautiful, rich, soft color. I like how it feels, this lipstick, light but creamy. It's lipstick and I'll say like conditioner together. Price point a little bit expensive, but you know, Tom Ford lipsticks, they're so pretty. Give me one for free, I will always appreciate. Okay guys, remember, I have a little gift giveaway for one of you. You need to live in United States. Comment below, subscribe my YouTube channel. Please give me thumbs up, share this video. I really need your support. I really wanna grow my community. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.